Hey guys, this is me and my dad. Today we're gonna do a Nerf gun fight. Let's see who wins. Come on. So my dad is gonna get this gun, and I'm gonna get a small gun. I put in a small gun over here somewhere. I don't really know, but he always wins when I battle him. And this time I'm sure he's not gonna win. Okay, got my Nerf gun. This is the Nerf gun I'm gonna have. I know that it's not good, but I'm gonna still try to use it. My dad always wins. Dad, you stay there. This is my base. So guys, he doesn't know I'm gonna trick him. I'm gonna go across the line and I'm gonna trick him. Okay, come on, let's do it. Okay, let's put the phone. Let's put it here. I can show you it. And I missed, guys! I missed. What in the world? God, I missed. Oh! Got him. Oh, miss! Come on, no. Die.
Okay, that's it. I lose. You win. Bye.